Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day here, making some really good trades as per usual. Again, we've been killing it inside the Discord. If you guys are not already in, I would highly recommend you guys join. We've been making some killer trades here on Bitcoin. Again, up 52% from my buy. Again, I posted this like a couple of days ago, right? In advance. I said we got to get long. It's gonna turn. And if you guys want to get like some free info too, you guys should follow me on Twitter, right? You guys, or sorry, X, because I post setups and info and updates there all the time. And you know, most of my calls have been correct. So it's not to say I'm always gonna be right, but so far we've been nailing these trades. Boom, 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 boom. And right now we got another one going on here. Let's see if it's going to come to fruition. Sorry, which time frame am I on here? So I think it was like the 45 minutes. So I think we still got a good shot of rallying up to the 80 to 90,000, sorry, 89 to $91,000 levels. I think if we get to this area, we're going to run into some pretty big resistance. Right? I think we're going to hit some pretty big resistance. And this is where the traders and all that are going to start to look to take profit right in this area. So I got so many levels here coming, you know, to kind of a climax. And at the same time, you have basic technical analysis too, like trend lines. Like you even have a very basic, like, you know, upsloping trend line, right? And you're going to run into some resistance here. Right there. And it's a bear flag. And if we end with no divergence, we could have very well topped, right? And at the moment, my chart is showing that we have basically finished on the 4 hour with no divergence. That's kind of what we were looking for. We were looking to finish this move without any divergence, right? And we got that today. So tomorrow, for us to continue to take this out, we need to also overtake this level, right? And we need to erase divergence. We need to erase divergence on the 4 hour, and we need to really, this move needs to be explosive. Now, right now, it doesn't look like that. Right now, it's kind of just choppy. It's lingering. It's not doing too much. So we'll see how everything's going to play out, right? Let's take a look at market cipher. Weekly time frame is definitely looking a lot better. You have a nice 10 and a 1 on the dual band strength index. The momentum waves are curling in, but they have not confirmed yet. You still have green money flow. The VWAP is coming up. All signs that are showing that bottom is forming. The 4-day, the 3-day, the 2-day are all looking very good, right? In terms of the candlesticks, the pattern. It's all looking good for a bottom. Everyone keeps talking about the bottom is in. Again, I don't want to make fun of the people who are calling for a bottom down here, because they were clearly wrong. We took out the low, right? And I'm not here to call bottoms, tops, or whatever. I'm here to point out when I enter my longs, when I enter my shorts, when I exit them, and when I exit my shorts too, right? When I buy in, when I take profit. That's it. That's all I'm here to show you guys. And right now, I'm still long. I'm still long from the levels down here. And I'm going to most likely continue to ride it up until we break the trend. The trend breaks. That's okay. That's it. I'm out. I'm cashing out. It's as simple as that. 1 hour time frame. Very bullish. Look at all this green money flow. Like, it's a flush, right? Flush with green money flow. You want to be looking for longs. You want to be looking for dips to buy. Right now we got a nice little dip, right? We got a nice little dip at the moment, but I wouldn't, you know, put it past it that we could come back down again, retest this level, and then continue pumping. It can 100% happen. Like this. And you chop, boom, and then come back up tomorrow. Maybe you even finish with some bullish divergence. Who knows? I would actually like an erasal of divergence, but again, it's up to the market to decide this. Let's get back to the chart. So it's all looking good on the smaller time frames. The 15-minute just printed a green dot. We had a very small amount of red money flow. It's kind of stalling out right now, though. You can see the smaller time frames looks like it wants to come back down for another dip. So we'll see how this is going to play out. Let's take a look here at a few other things. So when we take a look at wave edge, we're not really getting any new signals on the daily, right? Nothing much is happening. We could take a look at the weekly candles, see if anything happened. Nope, nothing new. 4-day, 3-day, green crosses, and that's about it. The 7-hour is showing a strong sell signal and a red cross at the moment. So is a significant top forming, right? Are we going to truncate? Is this level gonna fail us before we get, like, are we going to really just start to break down and this was the top at 88,000? It's possible, but I think that the markets still have more juice left in the tank. I think the markets can go a little bit higher. I think the markets can go higher, which means, you know, you probably still have a high likelihood that Bitcoin is going to go higher too. All right. So again, that's just my take. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong, right? Nobody's always right. And if they are, then they're probably lying. Yeah. 4 hour, 1 hour, you're getting similar signals. Again, we're in an uptrend in the short term, but the bigger picture, we are in a downtrend, but the downtrend could be coming to an end. It could be if we confirm the breakout, right? We have certain levels to break to invalidate the setup. And if we are able to take out 95,000 and continue to rally up, the low is probably in, right? It's safe to say. I mean, look at the daily cycle. We've broken out of the daily cycle here. We are getting a daily cycle breakout. So you could see that people are buying. People are buying, and they're getting nice and hopeful right now. Trump is cutting back tariffs, all these things. So again, let's see how everything's going to play out. Nothing is definitive. Nothing is set in stone, right? Things can be reverted back. Things can be canceled, all these things. So let's just be patient with it. And right now, we're up a nice 52%. We're going to be continuing to milk those gains. And if you guys want to get access, the link's in the description. Peace.